New fucking information on these fucking new Fords. 2020 fucking one ABS pump change. If you can't program the fucking ABS, you're never gonna be able to start the fucking Ford. So if you're changing ABS, be careful. You need to program the fucking ABS for you to be able to fucking start the car. Right now, look. This car, all the ABS on. Yeah? This is the one I replaced with. On, car starts. Look. Perfectly fine. As soon as I connect the new ABS